Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. Let's go to the topic. In the before video, I explained about how to do probability in R with simple example related to the dice. In this video, I am going to new topic that is probability distributions. Probability probability distributions. In this video, I will give you binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. We all are know that binomial distributions deal with success and failure. What what is binomial distribution and how we can do in R? Before going to the comments, first we can see help section in binomial distribution. For binomial distribution, for example, I need binomial. Okay. Now we are going to the help command. Binomial distribution description, density distribution function, quantile function, random generation for the binomial distribution with parameter size is n and probability success is p. We all know that this is by in our command what we get, density of the binomial distribution and distribution of the binomial distribution and quantiles and what how to generate random number also. Here these all are the commands for binomial distribution in R. D binomial for density function, P binomial for distribution function, Q binomial for quantile function, R binomial for random data generation. Here X is a vector and Q is a quantile. We all know this. And P is the probability of success and N is the number of observations. These all things also you can study details and the value. Here some examples also there. Now we can see first I will show you some examples. Then for example I need D binomial. For D binomial I am taking my name is binomial. D binomial means I need density value of D binomial. For example I need for variable 4 with size is my size is 10, n is 10 and success is 0.5. okay, what value I got 0.2050781. means here in the density function of the binomial distribution means ncx p power x into q power n minus x. Here n is 10, here n is 10 and p is 0.5 and x equal to 4. Now you can apply formula. What value you get? 0.2050. For finding this, for example I need probability of x equal to 6. okay, for finding probability of x, what we need in the D binomial command, you can just put 6 in place of 4. Here you get probability of x equal to 6. If you need CDF means up to probability. What CDF says, probability of capital X less than or equal to x. okay, how you can get means, for example you can take, I will show you, wait. For CDF of binomial distribution, command is p binomial. Here q means up to, for example you need less than or equal to 4 means I am entering q as 4 and size is 10. Then probability value is 0.5. Then lower tail I need, for example probability of x less than or equal to x means lower dot trail equal to true. okay, here I got probability of x less than or equal to 4 is 0.3769. By using density function also you get. How you can get by using density function means, here you need variable x as 0 to 4. Here also you got same value. See, when you can add up these all values, then you can get this. Okay, I am wait. Here also I think this is also one way of CDF, one PDF. Now we done CDF, one PDF. Now we can see what is random data generation. For example, I need 100 samples from binomial distribution. For this, what is command means sample. Okay, I am taking SAM as my variable name. For random data generation or binomial here, for example, I need 50 samples from binomial distribution with the size is 10, then probability of success is 0.6. Okay, here I got the 50 sample values. Okay, for example, if you have any doubt, use length command. Here you got 50. Okay, this is the random data generation. If you plot the random data generation, then you can use command flat sample. Okay, these all are the random data generation from the binomial distribution. If you need, for example, you can perform any operations in or just like what you do in calculation, all things also you can apply here. Now we can see one example for quantiles also. For quantiles, q binomial, here for example I am taking probability p as 0.5, then size is 10, then probability of success is 0.5. Okay, here I get quantile value 5 like this. You can perform any operation in R also for binomial distribution. Okay, if you have any queries related to the binomial distribution, you can comment me related to the. From the next video I will start on Poisson distribution. All things also we can discuss one by one. After we are going to the critical topics. These all are the basic topics. Okay, thank you.